Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. I'll show you exactly how to personalize your app icons in just a few taps. To change the name, icon, or display of app icons on the home screen, we need to access specific options that allow us to customize these details directly. We'll use the inbuilt Shortcuts app, which allows us to customize and open apps in different ways, to access the option for opening specific apps easily. After that, we'll open the app section where it's written and proceed by clicking on Open App, then Add to continue the process. Here, we can select any app by clicking on its corresponding blue icon, like Amazon Music, to choose it for modification. Next, go to Share to access additional options, go to Share and click Add to Home Screen, which allows you to select any photo or symbol for the shortcut, giving you the flexibility to choose from your gallery or other options. Choose a symbol or photo, and it will be added as the new shortcut icon. Click Add to finalize the changes and see the new shortcut appear in our available options list. Our new shortcut is now added, and opening it will launch the selected app. So essentially, this method allows changing the shortcut icon for various applications easily. Custom icons made easy. Check the description for a discount, like and subscribe!